Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. Online Grocery, Node.js Backend and App API inside. Today I need to modify here the API product details as well as need to my order details inside the need to give this here the user ratings information need to put this here. First of all, now need to list out here the my product details inside. Need to call this here the product details API and to put this here the product details API. First of all, need to find out here this API inside we need to give this here the user given last 5 review need to puts inside the list. Now need to first of all add here the one query, write down here need to write here the select star from select from to give this here the review details tables, put here set here the alias already and on write down here the inner join and need to write down here the user detail tables because need this here the user informations that went to configure here set here as ud like here and then after need to write down here the on events ud dot user underscore id equal to rd underscore user underscore id like this sets and conditions need to apply here rd dot product id product underscore id at the set seers and to configure seers. Now need to needed informations now need to provide seers. Set here first of all already dot some column names need to defines. Now first ones need to give this here the review ID. Then afters need to give this here the product ID. Then afters need to set here the user ID. Then afters need to set here the rate of this review. Give this here the message review and also need to write down here the already dots created dates which dates need to create this review need to give this here like this need to need here also need this here the user related informations need to displaying here now first of all need to display inside the user names need to showing here the name ud name and need to write down here the concates need to use this here the image copy here and we need to paste this here with image we need this here the ud give this here the dash ud dot image need to check here the database first of all take image or not need to check here not take any image that's why not showing here the user image only show here the name now need to remove here like these configurations are the needs and to given this here this product review and also need to give this here the parameter as a product id like this configures and then after need to pass this here the value as a another review list is equal to write down here the results and to give this here the fourth here I need to give one here and to save this here now same as now need to copy here and also need to write down here the limit set here by like this set and to save here and set here the order by new review created by already dot recent like this sets here now same as need to copy this query And now need to go inside the my product review, and now need to paste here this value, and now need to remove here this value, needs here to value, to write down here the inner join rd, and to write down here the on method, set here the left joins, not inner, because this is the review is optionals, that plus also here, set here the order id, od dot order underscore id underscore id. Like this need to write down here the review, and also need to given this here the value here. Now need to check here the if conditions. If null, then to set here the rate as a 0, as need to set here the rating, and same as put here. If message is blank, set here the blank value, as give this here the name review message, like this puts here, and to configures inside the my order details, like these modifications are the needs, and to configure here same we need to configure inside the admin sites, we need to need this here the query, this lab joins we need to need here, now need to copy this lab joins first of all, and now need to go inside the admins, and now need to find out here the order details. Here need to go and to write down here the lab joins, we need to configure here after the years, paste years, like this configures, and now need to find out here the order details od uod, need to set years here uod user orders, like this configures, now need to go again, need to check here this query uod you need to set, so I need to fix this here issue, and now need to go inside here to find out these two columns, need to given here, now copy, also need to remove here, and need to configure here these columns total price, like this needs, and to configures, and now need to configures as a review informations need to put here, and also need to put this here the product inside, need to find out here the product details api, and now need to go here and to modify also here the review, need to add, now need to go upsides, and need to find this here the query against review product details, now need to copy against this row, and now go admins and to semicolons terminate this query, now need to paste here, and to remove here the limits no needs, because you need to admin side and to show all review, and like this configures are the needs, and give this here the product id in last, need to set here, then after also need to configure here, and to set here the review list, set here the array t index of fourth we need to set here, first index as a 0, second is 1, third is the 2, and fourth one is the 3, like this need to get here the results inside the array, like these configurations are the needs for the showing here the orders. Now we need to go inside the category wise, we need to find out here the product list, inside also need to give this here the rating of the products, we need to showing, now need to calculate here the order details inside the product rating, so need to write down here the query, Now find out here the list category item list. Here this is the product relators. Here now need to write down here the value, set the left points, and need to configure here rating tables. Give this here table name, review details already, and we need to write down here on query rd dot product underscore id is equal to out here the pd dot product id underscore id, set here the plus signs like this configures. Now need to find out here the columns of the image behind. We need to write down here the average. Need to need this here for this group by. Now need to write down here the average functions. Need to write here avg, and now need to set here the cache when write down here rd dot rate is is not not null. Need to write down here null, and set here high rate is, and now need to set here if given ratings and to put this here the rate like this, and need to do this here the avg rating like this puts, and to save this here. I have make mistake here is not null like these conditions, and by practice give this here the value and to configure CS. Also need to check here the another's. Same as now need to apply this here the this here the left points to find out here the admin inside the product list. Here left choice is, and also need to copy and average and need to paste it. And now need to save. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take. Tomorrow need to see this here the modifications inside the application related to review. Need to change this here the some UI and to add more UI inside the add product details inside, and also need to showing this here the product listing inside the showing here the rating star of this product.